Optimizing network performance often requires some hefty hardware. Chelsio is specifically designed to, or providing hardware specifically for these kind of applications. Could you tell us a little bit about the products?
Certainly. Well, Chelsio is over 20 years old. We started off as a TCP IP offload tow engine company way back with our T1 product, and we're now about to roll out T7. We're currently shipping T6, and each iteration our speeds and feeds have increased. Our offloaded protocols also increase with each iteration, and now we are into the DPU space with T7.
So what are some of the protocols that you support, for example, with respect to security and so on?
Oh, certainly. So with our currently shipping T6 product, we support IPsec and TLS. And what we do is we do KTLS, for instance, on the Linux stack, or we do, with our tow engine, we do TLS, and the performance is fantastic. We're about to roll out some Engine X acceleration, and that's quite fantastic. We'll be coming out with those numbers soon, and you'll see that. IPsec is standard IPsec. We do coprocessor as well, so we don't use the networking. We can send clear text down and get ciphertext back, or the other way around. And all the different ciphers we support.
Okay. Now, in terms of implementation, are you using an FPGA or a custom ASIC?
We're doing a custom ASIC, and we've always been an ASIC company from day one. Yeah.
So what are some of the advantages of taking that approach?
Oh, yes, well, there's advantages and disadvantages, but the mostly advantage in that you can keep your power very low, you can keep your latencies very low, you can keep your performance very high, and you can pack more into a smaller piece of silicon. Your heat signature is much lower. I can go on and on. The disadvantage is, maybe you don't have as much flexibility if some customer wants some specific deep packet inspection thing that they need, until the next silicon, you're not going to be able to do that.
Right. So. Well, thanks very much for filling us in on Chelsio's products.
Sure. Thank you, Bill.